traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com. I'm going to show you a little bit about the 5-minute chart, and then we'll go into the daily trades. But this 5-minute chart, we had a nice clean wedge setting up early morning. Looks like we had a head fake to the downside, ripped right back up through for another potential head fake. We thought this would see some follow through all the way up into the 1228 area. It did not. It tried once, twice, bounced off this support line, and from that point forward, never looked back, and we had a heavy sell-off. When it finally broke that trend line, it picked up momentum to the downside. Actually, it blew right through the support level, the hourly range, and then found its final support at the Globex range low for a bounce, and then with some sideways consolidation. As you oftentimes you'll see, the market will run one direction and then move sideways. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Wednesday, October 19th, 2011. The following are examples of high probability trade setups that occur on a regular basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and the daily live Shark Den. We are showing 7 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 7 ES ticks. This morning opened up at 1218.50, represented by this white dotted line. We generally do not trade during the 9:30 to 9:45 no trade zone unless we have a valid setup in the direction of the gap fill. In this particular case, the market opened up and moved quickly up to the half gap and then on into the gap fill for a retracement back down to the open. Coming out of the opening price range, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 14 ticks. Now, I did not take this trade, so since I did not take the trade in the Shark Den, I'm showing it as yellow, but I don't count it in the overall total trades. As we continued on in the morning, we had another opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit. We got stopped out for -2 ticks, only to find ourselves pushed back up through opening price. Another opportunity to get long, and we got stopped out for -2 ticks on. Then we had another opportunity very quickly after that to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 14 ticks. So because you take a loss, you can't just stop trading. You got to get back on the horse, keep going. As we continued on, we had another opportunity to get short right here at just before 11 o'clock. Target 1 was hit. We got stopped out for -2 ticks. Then we had another opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. Going into the no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. It's just a period of lower volume, higher volatility. The market continued to sell off real heavy here. Found ourselves a retracement back to the moving average. And then we had a heavy sell-off down to the hourly range low. No further setups do we get. We then found support at the Globex range low. There's different ways to trade these. Generally looking for a bounce. We also use our market internal indicators. We had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. That's right there at around 245. And then one last trade setup before we went into the close. We had an opportunity to get long. We got stopped out for a full 16 ticks. A lot of sideways movements, indecisiveness. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.